Right, as a creator, you can have people request to join your circles, and when you do so, you'll get notified right here when a user asks to join your circle. You can click on the notification button and it will take you directly to the members page. But if you want to do so manually, you can click on this hamburger right here. You can go to members, and when you go to members, you can see all your members. When you go to the request tab, you can see those that are requesting to join, and you can either approve or reject their request to join your circle. Thank you. Also, if users want to leave your circle, you can click on, they can either open your circle right here and click on this button and click on the leave circle button, and they would continue or cancel if they want to leave the circle or not. Thank you.